The 2012 Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera LP620-4 Green Beret by Wheelsandmore. As evocative and downright exotic Wheelsandmore has been with their tuning projects, we can't help but wonder if they end up running out of ideas at some point. Apparently, their recent run of new programs for some of the most powerful cars on the planet is proving that notion to be completely untrue. For their latest offering, the German tuner has set its sights on a car that needs no introduction, the Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera LP570-4. Every Wheelsandmore tuning program always carries a standard performance upgrade, and the Green Beret, as the company has called this baby, is no different. The German tuner went and combined a digitally programmable, remote-operated valve control with special carbon frame air filters and a remapped EQ unit with a handmade, stainless steel exhaust system, effectively giving the Gallardo Superleggera a sinister performance upgrade. How sinister? Well, from the standard 570 horsepower coming out of the supercar's 5.2-liter V10 engine, Wheelsandmore managed to increase that to a powerful 620 horsepower, hence the LP620-4 designation. But more than just the mechanical improvements, Wheelsandmore also gave the Italian supercar a new set of fancy 20 inches 6 spores squared handcrafted, multi-piece forged wheels that are rotating at the steering axle and wrapped in 5P Continental Sport contact tires. Other improvements for the Green Beret include a new race-established special coilover with adjustable rebound and compression, hydraulically liftable around 1.77 inch, and called LCS level control system. For a tuner that has made a living out of programs like this, the Green Beret is yet another feather in the hat of these guys.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.